figure. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a shout out to Bahama Breeze for sending me their Mystic Margarita Bath Bomb. This drink is so bomb, y'all. Y'all gotta have this. Go check it out. So let's jump into it. Hey guys, so let's get ready. I don't know about you, but I gotta have a drink, of course. Then makeup. I'm starting off with the Shake Tape in the color Tan Sand. Then I'm just using a Target blending brush by Real Technique to blend that in on the lids. Going in with the Morphe, I think this is the 35N palette. So tonight I'm just gonna do a simple nude look on the eyes, something very soft. I'm just taking that brown color and I am blending it above the crease. And honey, the key is to blend, baby. So after we apply our transition color, we're going to go in with a deeper brown and we're going to place that in the crease. Now I'm going to place this beige color all over the lid. I don't know about y'all, but after all that blending, I needed a drink. Now I'm going to moisturize with my Pounds moisturizer. Then of course we're going to prime our face, and I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So now I'm going to do my wing with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This by far is my favorite drugstore liner. And I'm just doing my liner. Then I'm going to place some lashes I got from AliExpress.
Let's try that way. Okay. Shawty came in, walking like a model, shaped like a bottle. She know if she mess with me, it's gonna be trouble. I'ma bust that bubble. I'ma always love her. Mess up all the covers. Yeah. Let me break it down. He fucking with you, I doubt it.
I don't know about y'all, but I be getting lit when I'm doing my makeup. But anyway, got my lashes on. Now we're going to color correct with the LA Pro Concealer in orange. Now I'm going in with the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the color, what is this, Golden Tan? Now I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Caramel. I really love this concealer. This is a nice drugstore concealer. So in most of my videos, y'all see me contour with the Crayon Case contour palette. I use this palette a lot. I really love the variety of colors that you can use to contour with. Going in with my Ben Naive powder. Of course, I need something else to drink. Yes. Yes. Mascara under the eyes. Come on, y'all. Let's get lit. We're going out tonight. Then I'm going in with the Master Chrome highlighter in gold. Yes. The liner that I use is Espresso by NYX, and I'm going in with Bad Girl Riri lipstick by MAC. Now I'm just putting on a clear gloss that I got from the beauty supply. And in the center, I'm going to pop in Aaliyah Brooklyn Born by MAC. These cute gold hoops from the beauty supply for like $1 and some change, y'all. And then I got this cute 3-layer necklace from Forever 21. Yes, honey, we got to brush the hair. We ready to go. So I'm going to be wearing my Cape Robin heels. I have my shades from AliExpress that I'll be wearing. Then my outfit is from Fashion Nova, baby. Yes. And my bag is from AliExpress. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Until then, I will see you later. Bye.